Welcome to Money Mechanism. If you're looking to break free from financial struggles and build a future where money works for you, this video is your complete guide to achieving financial freedom in just 5 years. If you're ready to take control of your finances, hit that subscribe button to join our community and never miss an update. To start the journey toward financial freedom, you need a clear understanding of where you currently stand. Calculate your net worth by listing all your assets, such as savings, investments, and property, and subtracting liabilities like credit card debt and loans. Also, take a close look at your spending habits to identify areas where money may be slipping away. Did you know that only 32% of people actively track their finances, yet those who do are far more likely to achieve financial security? This self-assessment gives you the clarity to make informed decisions as you move forward. Establishing specific financial goals for each milestone, such as 1, 3, and 5 years, keeps you motivated and on track. A good short-term goal could be paying off all high-interest debt within the first year. A mid-term goal might be to create a 6-month emergency fund by the end of the 3rd year. And finally, a long-term goal could be to accumulate assets that generate passive income. Studies show that people with clear, actionable financial goals are up to 40% more likely to reach them. Setting these targets provides a roadmap that leads you closer to financial freedom with each year. Budgeting is essential for building wealth. The 50-30-20 rule, allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments, is a simple yet effective guideline. Apps like YNB and Mint can help you stay on top of your spending and savings goals. People who follow a budget are 10 times more likely to meet their financial targets. By budgeting consistently, you ensure that every dollar serves a purpose, inching you closer to your financial freedom goal. While cutting expenses is crucial, increasing income can significantly accelerate your journey. Invest in new skills to enhance your earning potential through platforms like Coursera and Skillshare. Additionally, consider side hustles such as freelancing or consulting to diversify your income streams. According to Upwork, 73% of freelancers now earn more than they did in their previous jobs. Adding multiple income streams not only speeds up debt repayment and savings, but also makes you financially resilient. Becoming financially free isn't just about earning more. It's also about spending wisely. Use cashback and rewards programs like Rakuten or Honey to save money on everyday purchases. Automating savings through apps like Acorns, which rounds up purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change, can make a big difference over time. Saving just $5 a day equates to $1,825 a year. By minimizing wasteful spending, you can redirect those funds toward your financial goals. Investing is crucial for growing wealth as it enables your money to work for you. Consider diversifying across stocks, ETFs, and bonds, using reputable brokerages like Vanguard and Schwab for low fees. Real estate is another solid option, and platforms like Fundraise and REITs make it accessible even without direct ownership. Did you know that the S&P 500 has historically averaged a 10% annual return? Smart investing helps you harness compounding returns, bringing financial independence within reach. Passive income is a key component of financial freedom because it enables earnings even when you're not actively working. Dividend stocks such as those from Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson offer consistent income. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club also provide a way to earn interest by lending small amounts to borrowers. And if you have property, consider renting out a room or unit on Airbnb. Warren Buffett earns millions annually from dividends alone. Building passive income streams adds another layer of financial security. Financial markets and opportunities change over time, so it's essential to keep learning. Read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham to build financial literacy. Staying informed through resources like Bloomberg or CNBC helps you make better decisions and adapt your strategy as needed. Research shows that individuals who consistently educate themselves financially are 34% wealthier than those who don't. Staying updated keeps you well equipped to handle financial challenges. Minimizing taxes allows you to keep more of your income, which you can then invest. Contributing to tax-advantaged retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA can provide significant tax benefits. Maximize deductions for things like mortgage interest and educational expenses. And if you have a side hustle, keep track of business expenses for potential write-offs. Did you know that high-income earners can save tens of thousands of dollars annually by optimizing their taxes? Effective tax planning accelerates your path to financial freedom. The people around you have a powerful influence on your habits and mindset. Join financial communities online, like Reddit's Financial Independence or local financial literacy groups. Having an accountability partner or mentor who shares similar goals can boost your motivation and discipline. A Harvard Business Review study found that individuals who regularly discuss finances with peers are 50% more likely to achieve their financial goals. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people strengthens your commitment to financial independence. Achieving financial freedom in 5 years requires careful planning, disciplined budgeting, income diversification, wise investing, and a continuous learning mindset. Each step builds on the last, creating a solid strategy that, when followed consistently, brings financial independence closer with each passing day. If you're ready to commit to this journey, don't forget to subscribe to Money Mechanism for more valuable insights on managing and multiplying your wealth. Let's make the next 5 years count together. We can turn financial freedom from a goal into a reality.